Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Cricut Designs, and it's time to announce our giveaway winner of one of the lovely Cricut Easy Press 2s that just came out. I want to welcome everybody. Thank you so much for my new subscribers to my YouTube channel. Be sure and hit the notification button so you always know when I release a new video. And also, thank you to those of you who have been following me for a while. I really appreciate it. Now, let's talk about the Cricut Easy Press 2 prize. So the winner is going to be able to select either the 12 by 10, the 9 by 9, or a 6 by 7. It's totally your choice, whichever machine is going to be the best for you. If you watched my video earlier, you know that I kind of went over a few key features that are across all the machines, and also I talked about maybe some ideas for why you would pick one over the other. Okay, now the Rafflecopter is the system that I use for all of my giveaways, and it does a great job, and it also randomly picks the winner. So that's how the winner was chosen. And before you guys pass out, when I announce your name, let me tell you what I need you to do. If your name is announced as the winner, be sure and answer the email that I will be sending to your email address from my Cricut Designs email. You'll get an email to your email that you provided when you registered for the contest. Check your email. If I announce your name, you have until tomorrow morning, September the 19th at 10 a.m. Eastern time to respond back to me and give me which one of these 3 machines you want to be as your prize, and also your mailing address. Cricut will be shipping these out right away, and I want to make sure you get them correctly. So be sure and don't forget to send me your mailing address. Okay, so if you have any questions about the Cricut Easy Press 2, please leave me comments. I'll be doing more Cricut Easy Press videos for you guys, so thank you very much for following along. And if you have something in particular you want me to show you how to do with your Cricut Easy Press 2, let me know, and I'm happy to add those to my tutorial videos. All right, let's find out who won your choice of the Cricut Easy Press 2. And congratulations goes to Kim Carricker. Thanks for playing along, Kim. You get your choice of one of the 3 Cricut Easy Press 2s. Be sure and respond to the email that I send you, letting me know which one you want and your mailing address. Okay, well, congratulations to our winner, but all is not lost. If you did not win, the good news is all 3 of these are now available at Cricut.com. You can make a purchase, and I will provide affiliate links for you in the description where you see this video. I appreciate you using my link if you make a purchase. That gives me a little bit of money that Cricut pays. It doesn't cost you anything extra and helps me continue to make videos for you. If you have any questions about either the Cricut Easy Press 2 machines, or you want to talk about the Cricut Easy Press mats, there's 3 sizes. There's a companion size for each one of these. I'll link those up for you as well, because those are definitely something that you want to be able to get. Okay, well, that wraps up our giveaway for the Cricut Easy Press 2. Hope you guys had fun. The anticipation wasn't too long this time. It was a one-day contest. Anyway, so happy crafting, happy cricketing. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for following along, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.